Hey, what's up? In this quick demo, let me show you one of the best tools ever made to create YouTube videos in high CPM niches. I'm talking about those real niches where you get paid $30 to $50 for every 1,000 views. And not just that, you get buyer traffic that actually clicks your links and buys your affiliate offers. And guess what? It takes just 60 seconds from scratch. Let's jump in and I'll show you exactly how to do it. So there are 3 modes: quick, professional, and advanced. Quick mode is perfect for beginners. Everything is done for you. Just click a few buttons and your video will be fully ready. With professional mode, you get a little more customization. You can edit visuals, change voiceovers, and tweak your script. And in the advanced mode, which is for creators who want full control, you can fine-tune every single thing from pacing to overlays to music. So for this demo, I'm going to go with advanced mode so I can show you how powerful this tool really is. I'm going to write the title. Let's say finance video. I'm going to select the niche finance, and I can also create a video from scratch if I want. Then I want to select a topic. Let's say stock market for beginners. And there are a lot of topics here that you can select. So these are generated in real time. And then you can select the style of the script you want. Viral video title, emotional hook line, heading, curiosity cliffhanger title. Let's just select this one, and then it generates the titles for your video. You can select whatever you want. I'm going to select the one mistake costing new investors everything. It sounds great. Now, what kind of script do I need? Let's choose the language. There are tons of languages here you can select from. As for the resolution, I'm going to select 720p for this, but you have options up to 4K and AI-generated images. Or you can use stock images. If you want to add an avatar, you can add one here. Let me add an avatar. Okay. You can even go faceless. Let me add an avatar for RAM. So let's select this, okay? Top left, bottom left. Let's select bottom left and next. So here there are dozens of templates that you can choose. Let me show you one of them. Is your online business ready to take off, but you're stuck choosing between Shopify and an alternative to Shopify? Okay, there's a kid's voice. Let's see something else. What if I told you there's a secret strategy that keeps pro gamblers ahead, maximizing their... Okay, let's just select this one for now, and I'm going to click on Next. Now here it's going to create, or it's going to generate a script. You'll have 3 scripts, 3 stories. You can select any one you want that you like the most. So here we go. Our scripts are ready, so you can see through them and see which scripts you like the best. Each of the slides will have the title, the outro, and these are not the final designs. That will be in the next step. So let's say I want to select the 3rd script. Look, go next, and it's going to generate all the slides and everything by itself in just a few seconds. So this is insane. Guys, all the slides are ready. All the headline topics, the avatar, we selected the images. Everything is ready. All the slides are there with the closing. Now let me show you some of the things that you can do. So in this advanced mode, you can add your voiceover and music. You can select the music from here and adjust the music volume. There are tons of music tracks here, all very high quality. We can also select the voice. Let's see, this is a sample voice generated from this option. Let's select it. Is it good and realistic? Yes, you can choose it. And this is the last slide. This is the CTA that comes with the final slide. We can go and change this. You can change the color of it. I'm just going to keep it the same. And you can even edit the slides individually. Let me show you how to do that. This is slide number 1. If you want to change it, if you don't like anything, just go and edit it here and it'll be updated here. You can go and change the font, change the text color. You can do Arial bold. So it's up to you what you want to select. And so the next is you can also go and select, change this color, heading color, or the content color. This color, you can change the images and background. You can create an AI image from here. This is to change the background image, and you can add a stock image, or you can upload any custom image. You can even add a video. I don't want to change the background. It looks really great, whatever it is. Now, if you want to change the image, this image, you can create an AI image from here, or you can select a stock image from here. Let's see, stock market images that you can use. If you want to select any image from AI, You can again say stock market crashing man sad. Okay, so it's going to generate an image using AI. Switch, turn it to the image. Let's say I want to use this so it is replaced. If you want to change the slides, you can go and change them individually. Great. Let me change it to this stock image. So it's changed. It's really simple, really easy. And now, once you're satisfied, just go and click on Next, and your video will be generated in a few minutes, and you'll be ready to go. So once the video's ready like this, you can go and generate the SEO for it. Here you'll find the title, descriptions, and hashtags that are most likely to rank and get views for your video. Okay, so here you'll find a description that you can use. It'll have all the keywords that you need, the tags and hashtags that you can put inside the tags column on YouTube while uploading. These are the hashtags you can use in the description, and this is the title. Okay, you need to fix this title. It will be the title of the video that we selected. So you can copy all those things, put them into your YouTube, and you'll be able to rank your videos much faster. So this is how simple it is to create, rank, and monetize videos in the same time it takes to make a cup of coffee. So no filming, no speaking, no burnout. Just plug, play, and profit with MonetiVid AI. Thank you so much, and after this video, I'm going to play the clip of the video we just created. Stay tuned.
Every seasoned investor knows the perilous pitfalls of the market, but one mistake continues to ensnare the uninitiated, draining their potential for success before it even begins. Ignoring risk assessment. New investors often overlook risk, chasing high returns without assessing potential losses. Evaluating risk helps in making informed decisions, safeguarding investments. Lack of diversification. Putting all your funds in one basket is risky. Diversifying spreads risk and increases stability. It's crucial for new investors to distribute investments across various assets. Emotional decision-making. Investors swayed by emotions face volatility. Decisions driven by fear or greed lead to hasty actions. Lack of patience. Investing requires patience. Quick returns are rare, and staying invested over time generally leads to more significant growth, allowing investments to compound effectively. Not learning from mistakes. Every investor makes mistakes. The key to success is learning from these errors and adapting strategies accordingly, ensuring continuous growth and improvement. Thank you for watching. Avoid these common mistakes to maximize your investment potential. Take action and start investing wisely today. Sign up https://www.ramrawat.com